You are going to love the 2026 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, power sunroof, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, trailering package. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.